Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I made another wig. These are weave-on that I got, two bundles. This is one bundle, three like this packed in a bundle, and then this is another bundle. This hair, I made this hair since 2021, December of 2021. I was hoping I would do it as a round stitch. That's like I would do a full bang style, but that's not what I ended up doing with the video. Just watch, you'll see that you'll see how I ended up completing this wig. But I can assure you it was not using the round stitch method. Like, yeah, I didn't end up finishing it with the round stitch. I was still able to get my full bang though, but you see how I ended up, or how I finally completed the style. So, well, you know the drill. Normal sewing round and round and round. So I just opened another bundle and kept going like so, just simple like before. And at this point, this wig was made, the video of this wig was made before the last wig video that I uploaded. So I had not figured out how to, you can see I took some out from the back because the hair was not enough. This was just the amount I have left. So I had just very few wefts left, about two wefts left, and I had to take out some, maybe a weft from the back, so that it would be enough to use at the front. So here is what I want trying to explain to you. So here I got a closure of a wig I have before, because I didn't get a closure for this wig, so I had to go loosen that wig and cut the closure into two. It works. I've seen it done in the wig markets here in Lagos, Nigeria. I've seen wig sellers do it. They cut the wig closure, the closure of the wig. They can share it as much as 3. That's the 2x4 closure. They can share it as much as 3 to use for at least maybe 3 weeks. So I had to cut that into 2. I have sewn the closure down, and now I'm just completing the wig, getting the weft to as close as possible to the closure that I'm using. And you see, this is if I finished sewing in the wefts. This is how much is left. So I'm going to go back and put it at the back of the wig. So here I'm done with fixing the wig, and I'm just finger combing the hair. Finger combing gives it a fuller look. You see, I'm just loosening out the curl. This is a pixie curly wig. Pixie curly hair. So I'm just using my fingers to loosen out the curls, thereby giving it a fuller look. If you use a comb, I assure you, you're going to get a fuller look. So here is the final look of the hair, the wig rather. And this is what the final look is. You can see I was still able to get my full bang with the closure that I used. I can wear this as a full bang, or I can still open it if I wish. So these are the products that I use: the Dark and Lovely leave-in conditioner and the Hawaiian Silky leave-in conditioner. So here I'm just trying to see if I'm trying to fluff out the hair to give it a fuller look, but I completed this outside of the video. But thank you guys for watching. Do share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.